Hey everyone, today we are exploring the WeCreat Vista, a compact and powerful desktop laser engraver. Its Smart HD camera ensures perfect alignment and reduces material waste for every single creative project. The patented 90-degree FlipLaser design makes engraving large tumblers and mugs easier than ever before. This Class 1 safety laser features a fire-retardant metal enclosure and a quiet air management system. You can engrave wood, leather, and metal at high speeds with stunning precision and professional detail. Access thousands of design projects and fonts through the user-friendly software for endless creative possibilities. Transform your crafting hobbies into professional art pieces with this versatile and beginner-friendly desktop tool. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.